Hello, nice to meet you too.
How are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm also fine. What are you up to now?
I'm manager at the company Karya Gemilang. How about you?
I work in marketing in the graphic design department. Who is the woman with you?
Let me introduce her as my assistant.
Hi, I'm Anis. Nice to meet you.
Hello, I'm Bintang. Nice to meet you too.
Sorry, Bintang, I have to go. I have a meeting with my client.
Alright then. See you next time.
Hello, Miss Flora.
Hello, Mr. Iklan. It's been a long time. What are you doing now?
I'm Uzi in production feed at a company holder at PT Primo.
How great. And who's that woman with you?
Let's introduce you. She is my manager.
Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm the new manager at PT Perindo.
Hello, Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Oh yes, what do you do? Are you married?
I don't have a family yet, and I'm currently a manager at PT Gudang.
Oh, very cool. What is that woman with you?
She is my assistant.
Hello, I'm Putri. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Sorry, sir. It looks like there is a meeting scheduled in 5 minutes.
Alright then. See you next time, Miss Flora.